My name is Bharti Dhavle. I am from Mumbai. I'm an artist. I'm working in metal objects or idols. So this is actually my painting. This is Gauri Shankar, like Shankar and Parvati. So we get the masks in Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. So that is the depiction of these statues, like. And even here also I got the pair, Rati and Shankar, Gauri, Shankar, Parvati, Shiva. So that is in pair. And then this is Nandi. This is the metal depiction that I'm just trying to show it in my paintings. This is Krishna, Balakrishna. So this actually copper, bronze. So these kind of statues are there. So I just want to render them with the aesthetic aspects. So just want to enhance the beauty of the idols. This is also there in. This is a silver Ganpati, Siddhi Vinayak. This is the name Siddhi Vinayak. So here also different colors are there. So I just want to explore different colors, the objects, the metals, how they give the effect. And there is any object, so it has got a serenity. It gives a peace. It's a stability. Shows a stability in the whenever you have anything, this idols or anything objects which are very beautiful, it gives a calmness. It's a stability. You are just grounded. You feel connected with the idols. So that is something I want to show in my paintings. This is Parvati. It is a statue actually. We have seen this many statues. So I just want to give them a better look and the color, like the light, shadow. So such things I want to enhance and this is a rough actually. I didn't give a fine shine or something like that. And this is my still life. I want to explore with the reflections, of the. So this is going to be my main theme whenever I'm going to work through this reflections, light, shadow. So these I want to play with. This is a bull. It has struck gold actually. So and this is share market building. So this is a very my favorite one. So just the shadow, and I just love this painting, doing this different colors. Yeah. So do visit this Karnataka Nama art exhibition. It's going to start. It is starting today and is till 1st June. Thank you. Thank you so much. Pardon, sir? I am from Mumbai. Yeah. My name is Bharti Dhavle. Yeah. Thank you.